Welcome. Today we're discussing how to develop effective English for specific purposes, or ESP, teaching materials. Developing ESP materials is a crucial part of designing an effective language course. Unlike general English materials, ESP content must be tailored to meet the specific needs of learners. This includes the demands of their professional or academic fields, making learning highly relevant. Let's explore some core strategies for developing these essential ESP materials. First, use authentic materials. These reflect real-world language use, like technical manuals or journal articles, helping students familiarize themselves with actual field language. Next, adapt texts to suit learner needs. Authentic materials can be complex, so simplify language, add glossaries, or break down dense information into manageable segments. Third, include multimedia and visuals. For technical fields, visual aids like charts, diagrams, or videos are crucial for relevance and engagement. Finally, design interactive tasks. Role plays, case studies, and problem-solving exercises help learners practice language in contexts mirroring real-world tasks. While ESP material development offers many opportunities, it also comes with specific challenges. Let's look at some common ones and their solutions. One challenge is selecting relevant materials that are both field-specific and accessible. Solution: adapt authentic materials by simplifying them or adding supporting glossaries. Another challenge is engaging diverse learners with varying proficiencies. Solution: offer differentiated tasks, allowing learners to engage at their own pace and level. Lastly, staying updated with rapid industry trends. Solution: regular interaction with professionals in the field keeps materials current and relevant. By aligning course content with professional needs, materials become more relevant and engaging. This alignment leads to significant benefits for both learners and educators. Ultimately, effective ESP materials lead to better retention and practical application of language skills, empowering learners in their specific fields.